Ever wondered how to buy and sell crypto on Binance? In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to purchase and sell cryptocurrencies on Binance, one of the most popular platforms in the world for trading digital assets. To start buying crypto on Binance, you first need to create a Binance account if you don't already have one. After signing in, you can begin the process by adding funds to your account. You can deposit fiat currencies such as USD, EUR, or GBP through various methods like bank transfers or credit card payments. Alternatively, you can transfer crypto from another wallet if you already own some. Once you've funded your account, you're ready to make your first purchase. Next, to buy crypto, you'll navigate to the Buy Crypto section on Binance. This is where you select which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Choose from popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum ETH, or others. You'll need to decide how much of the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and select a payment method, such as using your bank account, credit card, or even your spot wallet balance. After confirming the details of your transaction, Binance will process your purchase and the crypto will appear in your spot wallet shortly after. When you're ready to sell crypto, the process is just as simple. Start by heading to your spot wallet where your purchased cryptocurrencies are stored. Once there, find the coin you want to sell and click on the Trade button. Binance offers many trading pairs, such as BTC, USD, or ETH, USDT, so choose the one that matches the currency you want to receive in exchange for your crypto. You can decide whether to place a market order or a limit order. A market order will sell your crypto at the current market price, while a limit order lets you specify the price at which you want to sell. Market orders are faster, as they execute immediately at the available price. Once you've selected your desired option, enter the amount of crypto you wish to sell and confirm the transaction. After the sale, you'll receive fiat currency in your spot wallet and you can withdraw it to your bank account or use it to buy more crypto. For a smoother experience, it's recommended to stay updated on the market trends before making any transaction. Binance offers charts and market tracking to help you make informed decisions. Additionally, enabling two-factor authentication to FA will help keep your account secure during transactions, and verifying your identity ensures access to higher withdrawal limits and other features. In conclusion, buying and selling crypto on Binance is straightforward. You can easily deposit funds, purchase your preferred cryptocurrency, and sell it whenever you choose. Always ensure your account is secure by enabling the FA and verifying your identity, and keep an eye on the market for the best trading opportunities. Whether you're just starting or already experienced, Binance provides a smooth platform to manage your digital assets.